Milestones help your organization digitally track a learner's progression throughout their placement. It gives trainers, supervisors, and administrators a clearer way to monitor progress, record evidence, and confirm when a learner is ready to move forward. Let's jump in. To get started, navigate to your qualifications where you can begin creating your milestone. This is where admins can define the criteria the learner must demonstrate in the workplace. Start by adding units to your milestones. Your milestones are like checkpoints that your learners work towards throughout their placement. Each milestone can contain one or more units, so you can group related learning together and keep things organized as learners progress. After configuring your units, you can add mapped activities to each unit and define its criteria. Each milestone can have criteria configured at different levels: the milestone level, the unit level, or the activity level. A learner's logbook entry will progress all related criteria based on the activity selected. This means activity criteria, their related units, and the linked milestone. All a learner needs to worry about is logging the activities they are working on, and the milestone criteria will handle the rest. Now that your milestone has been configured, we can create a placement using milestones. As learners log their normal workplace activities, their evidence is recorded against each activity and attached directly to the relevant milestone. Milestones give your team a digital view of learner progression, allowing you to easily monitor which criteria has been completed, what evidence has been recorded, and what still needs attention before a learner can move to the next checkpoint. It also gives learners an easy way to see what they need to complete to progress their placement. Once all required criteria has been met, a supervisor can mark the milestone as complete and add a written summary along with a digital signature. This provides a formal record that the learner has met the required workplace outcomes for that stage. Milestone information can also be captured in generated reports, capturing the supervisor's summary, sign-off, and relevant criteria in one place. This makes it easier to support compliance and provide clear evidence of learner progress. Milestones make it easier to track learner progress, validate workplace performance, and maintain a clear digital record throughout their placement. For more information, check out our Milestones and Work-Based Learning help guides. Thanks for watching.